so new with the management, we were thinking about we want to just play it safe this year.
Yeah.
So there's, like I said, nothing downstairs.
I'm cool with that.
And everything is 120 across the board for Countdown tier 1.
Festival pricing. Normal after festival, you know, the back end. Okay, fresh that up. All right, and then we got 3 costs out for management. That's it. Okay, all right. Who wants to draw first?
Sure.
It's like, it's a battle.
Guys, I'm Van here with the new ramen shop. The back is not necessarily a death sentence anymore. All right.
Sorry.
If you have number 1, please step forward. Who's number 1?
We got 10.
Stop copying by mistake.
The table's there, ready to go. You can sit up. Number 5. Number 5. And they're even worse.
Yeah, these are beaten up pretty bad. These are like $5 a piece, so I mean, we've gotten our use out of them.
Oh, yeah.
I think all my gear, if anything goes bad, I'd be like, well, it has at least. I think every piece of gear we have has at least 20 shows on them.
What are we going to do with those?
Roll it up. I'm gonna start doing giveaways on the channel like every week. Just every week. You know what I mean? At the end of every vlog, I'll just be like, all right, guys, so if I can leave a comment and I'll just give it away. Yeah, my league drawing is up to date.
I did. That's right. It's like taken from a security camera.
Yeah, that wide angle I really like to draw.
Yeah.
Things like that. Yeah, so it's everyone up to Zeraora, so 807, plus all the forms and variations. So there's closer to 1,200 characters. And yeah, exactly. Well, I think 19 because I put the glitch Arceus, the one with the question mark. Yeah, so there's closer to 1,200 characters, and I drew them to Pokedex size.
Is this one the large?
That's considered the large, yeah. And then this is the $20 standard, and then I have one that's a size bigger than that. It's 4 feet tall. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna come back.
Okay.
This is great. Yeah.
What's up, man?
Long time no see.
Yeah, right. What was it, ALA? What was that after that? Fresno, okay. AX, yeah. This is like the only Northern show I have until SAC Anime. And even that I might drop out of.
You gonna get into Crunchyroll yet, or?
That is to be determined. They haven't sent those out yet. But the 626 Night Market, down in, yeah, I'm gonna probably get into that because I got in good with the people there. So I'm doing the OC Night Market first, and then they'll get me into the ones after that.
Oh, cool.
I'll do that instead of a SAC Anime any day, but
That makes sense. There's just so many tables in SAC.
that's what the problem is. Yeah, it's crazy. I'd rather do this show than SAC Anime.
That makes sense.
It's ridiculous.
I thought it's interesting that there's the mini art mart in here, and then there's like the official artist alley on the street.
Yeah. I think I have a friend who's out there, and I was like, "That's cool, but my table is only $100."
I think this might get more foot traffic than out there anyway, though. It's a few streets up.
Where exactly is it?
So you know like where the pagoda is? And then if you cross the street right there, there's like little winding
Yeah.
with the shops. It's one more street after that.
Oh, really? Oh, that's hella far.
So you have to cross like 2 streets to get there.
Oh, see, I don't know about all that. I thought everything was just isolated to this street right here.
Ideally, but no.
Oh, wow.
So I think, yeah, there might be more foot traffic in here.
Damn, I wanted to get one of those tables.
Right at the corner where people get stuck waiting in line. Yeah.
I was at a C2E2 last weekend.
Yeah, I saw your vlog.
Motherfucker.
That was fucking brutal.
Yeah. I'm starting to feel that right now. Because look, both corners, they have a high traffic, and then it just like dies off right here.
Yeah, that was painful to watch. I mean, I'm glad you showed us though.
No, I mean, I knew it'd be entertaining, and I was there. I recorded it already. Why not? So, that's cool. It's fucking, yeah, dude.
Well, like you said in the video, someone's got to be in the bad spot.
Yep.
That time was you.
Okay. Edit that. All right. He's about to work some magic.
What's Tracer's hair look like? That's a Tombow. Yeah, it's supposed to. It's advertised as a calligraphy pen, but
Catch me.
so what turned you on to Kim Jong-gi's work? Well, other than the fact that it's like magic.
I know, right? So I heard of his stuff first from an artist on YouTube. His name is Cypra.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah. When I
yeah.
first
He was talking about Kim Jong-il like long ass time ago. Yeah, he's the one who turned me on to him.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Oh.
because he was all like, if I could draw like one guy, it'd be like Kim Jong-il.
Yeah, that piqued my interest too. I'm like,
Yeah.
this is cool. This guy that draws really well. I want to draw like this other guy. Yeah, then when I finally saw his work, I was blown away. 100%.
I was like in disbelief. I was like, what is this nonsense?
Some black magic, voodoo, nonsense. Yeah. When I saw him in person, I saw his dude's magic. I was just like, I
Yeah,
just
Tracer.
couldn't. That's all I wanted to do was just watch.
I don't remember Tracer's outfit off the top of my head, so
That's all good.
there are gonna be some imperfections on here.
Don't worry about it. It's looking out. It's turning out badass. What's like your dream car?
On my dream car right now, I really want a BRZ.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, we're both on the same boat.
Dang.
That's my next goal. Yeah, I'm really into tuners, so I'm not really too much into the like luxury higher class cars. I mean, they're badass pieces of work, but like I'm super in love with like the way the body is of the BRZ, and just like I don't know, it draws me.
Yeah, exactly. But it's like so impractical of a car because I travel for these shows all the time. So it's so impractical for me to get one, and I'm just like, I hate it. Like I can't.
Yeah, that's like a good weekend car. Tune it up. Have you ever heard of Nakai? Akira Nakai?
Nuh-uh, why?
So he does these nice wide body kits for Porsches, and he does it all by hand. And so
What, he molds them by hand?
like if you buy it, if you purchase a body kit from him, he'll come and do it on your car
Oh shit.
himself. Yeah.
Hello. No, we are bonding over a mutual what would you call it? Lust for Kim Jong-gi. She's tired of hearing about him. Yeah.
Sorry.
He's Korean, so I don't think they say that, but I'm sure it's something.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, I got a selfie with him, and I was like, oh, life is good.
Life was perfect that day.
No, because I was like, oh, look at how much work I have to do before I can.
So where can I go to view this once you post it? It's on YouTube? Or
YouTube, yeah, because I do these artist alleys. Like I sell my art like this, like every weekend. So I'm full time. Yeah, and because I travel so much, I turn them into vlogs.
I see.
Yeah,
You can put extra money off of it.
yeah. I just did my taxes and I realized I am making a pretty penny off of YouTube. Yeah.
Ballin'.
Ah, it's going dry. I wish I had my Pentel pocket brush with me because then I could do the smear stuff. But
I see.
yeah.
It's all good. You're mesmerizing me already.
Lots and lots of sketchbooks.
So shit, right? I think I filled like, seriously, I think I filled like 10 of them last year.
Oh, do you sell your sketchbooks?
Nah. Because I use them as reference. Like I look back on them.
There's some really cool shit in there that no one's ever going to see. That's why I'm like, I'll hold on to this later.
All right, that's it. That's all I can do right now. Yeah.
Totally, that's perfect.
Okay. Oh shit! Bad song. Keep that, and then keep that. Yeah, just hold on to it, and then. This guy.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
I had a really interesting thing that just happened. And I didn't have my camera on for it, but in short, a guy and a group of his artist friends came up and they were just talking about the vlogs and how they really liked it. And one of the questions he asked was if I ever get approached by other artists giving me a hard time because I'm just like, I don't know, like just saying the things that we do. Because off the vlogs, I actually do kind of mass message, I don't want to say younger, but like newer artists that I know when a convention sign up is about to happen. Like, I can't think of a good example right now, but like if a convention isn't really that well known, but it's a gold mine for sales and not a lot of people know about it, but I do, I'll just tell people, you know, like I'll send them the link. Like if you're friends with me on Facebook, I literally like mass send you the link through Messenger, and then I'm like, signups are here, signups are there, and I give you the date, and I just don't care, because if you're better than me, then you deserve to make more sales than me. So I don't care, and yeah, I do. So the answer is, yeah, I do get a lot of artists who actually do have a problem with me giving out information, and if you're stingy about giving information out, fuck you. God damn it, like, come on. Or if you don't want to do it, then don't do it. But just like leave everyone else alone. Anyway, my belief is always do what you want to the extent that you want, as long as you're not fucking up with somebody else. Anyway, we're about to clean up here. Cherry Blossom has 2 weekends here, and last year I did week 1. Last year I did week 2, and that was amazing. This year I did week 1, and it was good. So, in regards to this mini art mart, which I'll put the link to their Facebook page up down in the description so you can sign up for it. And you want to do Cherry Blossom Festival, aim for the second weekend because that's where your sales are going to be. You can't go wrong with either of them, but you want the big one, that's second weekend. If you made it to this point in the video, I'm doing a poster giveaway. This is a big 24 by 36 Overwatch poster. All you have to do to enter is leave a comment down below. That's all you got to do. All right, guys. See ya.